stick this in here.
Stick what in where?
Charger.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Jordan. And I am such a fucking dirtbag. You guys would not believe. Me and my friends decided to film a vlog over this last week. We were just taking random video clips of shit that we were doing throughout the week. Every single day we made at least 2 or 3 vlog clips. So I mashed them all together into one video and made it into one for you guys. And this is a new series that I'm going to be starting on my channel where we just vlog and you guys get to see what it's like to be around us on basically a day-to-day basis. Oh, yep, that's part of it too. Yeah. This is a vlog featuring me, Lacey, Jaylee. I think Hannah might be in there once or twice, I don't know. And then I know Gabe's in it too, so you guys can just tag along for the ride. I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned if you would like to see our vlog that we created. Story time. One time me and Gabe saw Tana Mojo in this parking lot right here, and she was vlogging, and Gabe rolled down the window and he screamed, "Fuck on your bitch like I'm Hefner," and she laughed, and it was super fucking weird. I just picked up Lacey from work, and I accidentally drove past her because I thought she was just another crackhead on the street. Can I use it in a sentence? George had a vasectomy because he fucking hated children and didn't want to have any.
I mean, use it as a verb, please. No, I'm just
Gabe, sing those lyrics again. Do it. Do it.
I don't check the price. All I do is swipe.
I'm like, wow, yeah, my friends smoke a lot of weed.
I'm just sitting right in between them, but they're passing it over me.
Her eyes get lower and lower.
Did I just see someone walking in there?
Oh my god.
No, like dead ass.
Where are you going?
No, dead ass. That's weird because Jaylee saw that last
Oh my
night.
god. Stop. Maybe we're going back.
Alright, guys, we're going down to secret mission. Jordan, you first.
Jordan is coming.
I'm tripping.
First.
Light.
Finish your. Bro,
Sorry. All right.
It's
So
a microphone, not
I'm
a
sure a lot of
fucking
you
light.
have seen the movie Charlie's Angels. Me and Lacey and Jaylee, we're gonna be, like a distorted version of that, I guess you could say. We're gonna be Charlie's Angles. Yep, you heard it. You heard it here first.
You heard it
Charlie's
correctly.
Angles.
Charlie's Angles.
Lacey's gonna be an acute angle. I'm gonna be a 180 angle, so all I have to do is stand up the whole night.
I'm be obtuse because I'm thick.
Yeah, because I'm thick.
Alright, and Jaylee, how do you feel about being an obtuse angle?
I just want to say thank you to everyone who's always supported.
I want to thank not
Shout out
only
my
God,
Twitter.
but Jesus.
I want to thank all the food for making me thick, so I had this opportunity to be an obtuse angle.
Oh my God.
A low tolerance because I haven't been really drinking that much. Oh shit.
Yeah. So, anyways, me and Jaylee have a story to tell, and we're just glad that we're alive to tell it. You know, like it's that deep. Our neighbors are suspected to be participating in a cult. Tell them why, Jaylee.
Okay, I was outside and I heard them singing happy birthday, but it was like, so there was a lot of them singing it and it was slow and it was not the original happy birthday song. And it sounded scary, and me and Hannah
It was like happy birthday to you.
Yeah, and
for
they
like
just kept doing
20-30 minutes
dead ass.
consecutively. And it was like at least 10 people were saying this at one time.
It was a lot. It was scary and dead ass serious.
I don't know what to do, and I'm pretty sure our neighbors are having a party right now, and I'm kind of stressed. I don't know what's actually going on inside the house, you know?
I wish we could see from here, but we can't.
Leaving hella DNA all over the place.
You feel me? And I'm just gonna rock it like this.
Oh, for sure. Let me see. Hey, I fuck with it. You look like Steven Tyler.
Thanks. I get that all the time.
Back at it again, Daniel.
With the dirty Vans! Okay, so right now I'm sitting on my bed, currently editing the video that you are watching right now. This is me from the future. Hello. So me and Lacey were having a conversation. I was telling her how when I edit my videos, there are so many increments of every single video that I edit that I have to cut out of me saying, so, yeah. Those 3 words together in that order every single time. I have to cut out like 30 of those in every single video that I film ever in my life, whether it's a vlog or a tutorial, anything. So Lacey told me if I ever become famous on YouTube one day, my first merch drop has to be t-shirts that say so, yeah. So I'm making this video and sticking it in the video so that if one day that does happen, we can make my dreams a reality. Support me, follow me, do all that shit. You got that. Lacey, what do you think?
One love. Oh, you wearing matching socks.
Ah!
Hey, guess what? What? I haven't brushed my teeth yet.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, my next quest is going to be to change into my best jammies in less than 1 second. All right? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
These are my friends. This is Jaylee. This is Lacey. You met them in a previous
Drunk.
video.
The video?
Remember the fucking
I was
question?
drunk. I don't remember.
Oh, you're stupid.
These beats.
Vicky Bobby.
Wait, what?
Dude, where's my car?
Wait, where the fuck is my car? Seriously. Dude, what the wait. Oh wait, is this it right here? Okay. Oh, we're straight. We straight. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. We're good, no? Bro.
Yeah.
He's already dead. This is not animal abuse.
Insect abuse. Yep. Oh, he's being cremated. Let's tell a story. He was a great man. John. That was his name.
Long live
Now he
John.
looks like a roach.
All you ever did was run into lamps for your whole life.
And now look at you.
Just burnt to a goddamn crisp.
What are they selling?
Chocolate.
MTV. This is MTV.
Welcome to
Cribs.
my crib.
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome.
And
All
right
right,
here,
so
there's this young pumpkin that we've been
Young
raising
pumpkin.
since he was little.
Since he was a
Crazy.
child.
He got so big.
They grow up so fast.
Now here's my horses. These are my horses.
Yeah.
This one's Jackie and Rocky and Float.
Y'all motherfuckers
And,
adopted.
and this is my daughter.
Oh, yeah.
This is my daughter, Jordan. Oh, and this is the road less traveled. Okay, and over here we have our lovely gym.
This is the gym that we use often, as you can see.
Now moving. Oh, this is the best spot.
All right. Let's see it.
The attic.
Oh, I just dropped ice on myself.
All
All right, so yeah, the attic's right there.
All our spooky friends live in there. This is my
This
daughter.
is a
again.
little girl who used to live here back in the Great Depression. She's dead now, actually.
The Dust Bowl, what's happening?
She's dead now, actually. So that's where we're at. Yeah.
Okay. And this is exactly where my little one died.
She's in here, bro. We gotta go. Go inside, go. Fuck, you didn't open the goddamn gate for me.
I stepped on a piece of glass.
Did you really?
I stepped on a piece of. Wait, do you hear that? It's the colt. You cannot suck the poison.
This is what just happened.
Suck the poison out, Norbit. Hey guys, and we're alive.
All right, so look, me and Lacey just experienced some paranormal shit.
Wait, your eyes look really scary.
Is that Jaylee? Jaylee? Jaylee, I was just about to tell the story. Come on down so you can listen too. Come on. This shit's scary as fuck. Everybody listen up. So me and Lacey were sitting right here at the table. And the dog started tripping out of nowhere, right? Just tripping, just going nuts, wild, absolutely bonkers. And me and Lacey swore we heard like a knock or like someone typing in the code or something. All the dogs over there tripping. I'm like, what the fuck? So I get up, I go to open the door, and as I'm walking this way, I was watching the lock move. It was unlocking, right? It was unlocking. So when I go to open the door, I open it like so, but there's there, and when I open the door, this is what I see.
Bro. And this little thing was open, and I was just looking at the light to see if anyone will move, and
Turn
nobody.
your mom to change the locks.
I didn't see shit.
If you're trying to find love, know that